Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing 3 paper crafts. So I got a new sign and Facebook, Turtle4001 lowercase t, same with Instagram. Follow both of those, check them out. And also you can check out my Roblox, Turtle4001. And let's get on with our 3 paper crafts. The first one is a triangular note. You'll need a square piece of paper. You want to fold it in half like a triangle. Then fold it in half again like a triangle. And again. Then get a pen and you can put a note. Dear friend. Then they open it. You write some more. I went to the beach. How about you? Then they open it again. You can draw something or continue writing. It's like an umbrella, sun. And it doesn't have to be like a easy, or it can be a easy, quick draw. A towel, and then they open it again, and something else. And it's all nice and tiny, and then after they open it, they can fold it back up. It's hard to find the way to fold it back up though, so I think it's this way, yeah. And it's all folded up again, and you just have your tiny note. Next is a paper lantern. For this, you can use any piece of paper. I'm going to use a big one, and you're going to need some tape and scissors. So you want to fold this in half. Then the side that's folded, cut strips along it, like that. It doesn't matter the size. That just depends on how big you want the pieces of the paper lantern to be. And I do not actually show you how to put lights in the paper lanterns. And you don't have to use the full piece of paper. Then after you cut it, open it up. And you want to roll it. And roll it back out. Then get a piece of tape. Thank you for Mr. Flamingo. And on the top of it, put it together. Then place a piece of tape. Then get another piece of tape. And tape the bottom. And then you're gonna get a piece of paper, cut off a little piece of it like that, and you can tape it like a handle on the top. So piece of tape there. Then take the other side and put a piece of tape there. Then the paper lantern. Here, I'll move the camera so you can see the full thing. Paper lantern. And you can make yours however you want. I just made mine skinny and fat. Fat, like cuts, and a super skinny lantern. Alright. Now we have one more. These are called, I don't know if this is their actual name, but I like to call them this. Ceiling swirlies. You can take a square piece of paper and your scissors. Cut a circle. Doesn't have to be a perfect circle. Then start towards the side, and you're not actually going to cut this off. You just want to keep cutting in a circle till you run out of paper and make a circle in the middle. See how it's like going down? Then that circle, the circle in the middle, fold it down, and that is how you hang it on your ceiling or wall. And let's back up here. And there you go. It's like one of those party decorations. So, there. And now I will show you a demonstration of what the ceiling swirlies look like on a ceiling. Here are some ceiling swirlies on a ceiling. All nice and swirly. Thank you for watching my 3 things to do with paper video. See you guys next time on Turtle 4001. Like and subscribe.